Hi, I'm Elisse Joson. I'm in Thailand right now and I just got here an hour ago. Actually, I have Cathy doll ready to white shooting today, but I still have an hour left. So let's just relax. Ooh, there's a grand piano in this room. You know what? I think I still have a lot of time, so I'm gonna rest a bit. Whew. Come on! Oh my gosh, I think it's almost time. Let's get ready.
Hey, hold on.
What?
You just got here and have to work. Is your skin ready?
Don't worry, I'm totally fine. I have a secret. All of them are in this bag. My secret starts here. So I have the Ready to White Boosting Cream and the Milky White Cream Pack. I also have, of course, the wallet, phone. Oh, I love this. The Milky Mask Sheet and perfume. Ooh, and I have the Milky Tone Up Eye Serum, which is perfect for my under eye. Here, I'll show you how I do the routine. First of all, before I apply all the treatments, I'm gonna use this Ready to White Lightening Foam Cleanser to clean my face. So next, I'm gonna be using this white boosting cream after I finished off with my mask sheet that I had on earlier. And this is the key you can't miss out. The Ready to White Boosting Cream. I always use this so that my skin will be perfect in any occasion. Lastly, the Ready to White Milky Tone Up Eye Serum. This one helps lighten up my under eye areas for that radiance. And after I finish shooting tonight, I'll be using the Ready to White Milky White Cream Pack so that my skin will still look bright and glowing. Now that you guys know my secret to whitening skin, I hope you find it helpful. I have to leave for work now. Bye guys!